Just this week, the bull market is touching a milestone. It's turning 9 years old. Can we see 10?
We think we can, Leslie. Now, before I get started, I saw you spent yesterday in Ohio. I spent the first 37 years of my life in Ohio. It's always going to be home, so hopefully you enjoyed that.
Oh, absolutely.
And, getting right to getting right to it. Yes, the bull market's 9. This is the second largest bull market ever. This is the second longest bull market ever. The longest ever was 1990s, which went about 9.5 years. Big question is, can it get to 10? We think it can, and here's why. In our opinion, bull markets do not die of old age. They die of excesses, whether it be overspending, over leverage, overconfidence. We look at these things. We simply aren't seeing the same level of overs or excesses that we've seen in the past at major market peaks, economic peaks. We think we could be here in 1 year, and the economic cycle will still be growing, and we can still have a bull market in our hands.
What pushes the market to the upside from here, though? Because when we think about different catalysts that could move the market to the upside, tax reform, is something like that priced into the market? When you look at what's going on in Washington and around the globe, what are some of the factors that can continue to churn this market upward?
Sure. Well, obviously, the tax reform is in there. Clearly, we just had a really strong fourth quarter earnings that can be there. But, just look at the most of the economic data that we've been seeing. The leading economic index, LEI, is one of our favorite indicators, and that just came in at 6.2% year over year. Now, what does that mean to someone listening? Well, historically, when that goes negative year over year, we've seen a recession 14 months later. We're nowhere near seeing a recession when you look at that one particular indicator. And again, it's a nice one because it looks forward. Most economic data looks backward. That looks forward. Also, if you just look at technicals, we have a lot of participation. Semiconductors are making new all-time highs as we speak right now. Financials are participating. You look at the NYSE advanced decline line, how many stocks going up versus how many stocks going down. We see really broad participation. Yes, we just had a 10% correction in 9 days and some volatility. Obviously, we're aware there could be more volatility as economic cycle ages, but there's a really good underpinning with the economics and on the technical front, broad participation. Those things suggest again to us that this bull market can survive and continue to flourish here.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.